The YouTube video titled 17 Work-from-Home Job Companies That Are Always Hiring, that was produced by Shane Hummus, is 14 minutes and 53 seconds in duration. Let's break it down and just look at the key points. The video emphasizes that while some job opportunities are specific to the US and Canada, many are accessible to people worldwide. This global reach allows individuals from various regions to benefit from these work-from-home opportunities. The video covers a range of companies hiring for different roles. These include call center positions, transcription work, customer service, corporate roles, and technical jobs. Companies like LiveOps, Apple, Asurion, Concentrix, Django, GMR Transcription, and others are highlighted for their remote job offerings. Here are some specific company insights. First, LiveOps. They offer remote positions that pay between $12 and $17 per hour, primarily for US residents. Next is Apple. Known for its premium products, Apple hires for the role of home care advisor, offering around $32 per hour. Asurion is next. They offer corporate customer service and supply chain jobs, and they have a significant global presence. Fourth is Concentrix. This company focuses on quality assurance and computer science-related jobs, boasting a large workforce in over 40 countries. Then comes Django. Django is a platform for translators, offering flexible schedules and the potential to earn an average of $417 per month for English translations. The video discusses the potential earnings in various roles, such as transcription work where top earners can make $1,200 or more per month. But remember, no salary is guaranteed. This video is just showing you the potential. You need to do much more research before you invest your time or money. The video also highlights the flexibility of these jobs, thus allowing individuals to set their own hours and the ability to work from anywhere. Many of these companies offer competitive salaries and additional benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and even unique perks like pet insurance. The video also touches on the potential for career growth within these companies, and opportunities to advance to senior level positions, and then the ability to attract significant salary increases. Resources like FlexJobs are recommended for finding remote employment. The video emphasizes the importance of using reliable platforms to search for these opportunities. Special focus is given to technology-related careers, highlighting companies like CleverTech and TELUS International. These companies offer remote work opportunities in tech fields, with CleverTech paying an estimated $52 per hour. The video also discusses the significance of UX and UI design in the current job market, suggesting that these skills are highly sought by employers. Feel free to tell me what YouTube gurus you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.